Hey, my name's Daniel Helfand, and I'm a developer advocate at GitLab. In this video, I'm going to be going over GitLab Duo Agent Platform's Software Development Flow, which allows software engineers to assign GitLab issues to AI agents that run in the background, freeing up engineers to work on the issues that matter most to them. Let's take a look at how this works in action. Before getting started using the Software Development Flow, let's go ahead and take a look at a project's settings by clicking on the Settings General button, where we'll scroll down and see the GitLab Duo section. We want to make sure that GitLab Duo, Allow Flow Execution, and Allow Foundational Flows are configured on for our project. Now we should be good to go using the Software Development Flow. As a full-stack developer, I often find myself assigned to multiple issues across multiple GitLab projects, including front-end, back-end, and infrastructure components. I've decided after triaging the issues in my to-do list that I'd like to spend the majority of my day working on this more complex back-end issue. But I also noticed that I'm assigned to a front-end issue. After triaging the issue and gaining an understanding of what needs to be implemented, I've decided that this would be a pretty good issue for the software development flow from GitLab to handle, because all that needs to happen is for a currency formatting display update to be made to the front end and also adding some testing. I'll go ahead and click the Generate MR with Duo to trigger the software development flow. Instantly, a session is kicked off where I can monitor the progress of the AI agent asynchronously working on this issue. Now I can go back to my to-do list and check on some of the other items that I need to tackle today. I'll head over to the fixed Java version mismatch issue, which notices that there's an issue between the version of Java used for this backend component with what we are using in our Docker file for when this application is deployed to Kubernetes. I'll go ahead and again deploy the software development flow so that now I can work on two issues asynchronously using the software development flow and spend the rest of my time focusing on the issue that I find most interesting. You'll see here that the software development flow for our front-end issue has gone ahead and gotten to the stage where an implementation plan is in place. At this point, the plan will now be used to guide the agent as it goes through with the direct implementation. Now we just need to wait for the flows to finish executing. And as soon as they finish executing, we'll be able to see that two new merge requests have been opened and assigned to me. I'll go ahead and click on one of the merge requests that was open for the front-end fix that we're attempting to implement with the software development flow. Here, I'm able to see a very detailed description of what the software development flow is attempting to fix, and see that a new CI/CD pipeline has instantly been kicked off upon the merge request being opened. I can go ahead and go through a normal code review process where I review the agent's implementation plan and make sure that everything looks up to par as far as the issue that we're trying to implement. I see that it's gone ahead and implemented the feature and also added some tests to make sure that this new functionality is not going to break in the future. Now all we need to do is make sure that our CI/CD pipeline with all of the security and compliance features is able to run appropriately, and we'll also be able to see the new version of this application deployed to an environment so we can do some manual testing. With the View App button now available in the merge request, I can take a look at the deployed version of the application with our changes and click on the Home Loans page. Here, we can go ahead and enter a currency amount into the home mortgage calculator and see that the change that we're attempting to implement is now auto-formatting the currency that is displayed in the home mortgage calculator. We can also do a really quick test of the calculator itself and make sure that everything is working appropriately. With GitLab Software Development Flow, you're able to scale up your team's productivity, but also make sure that changes that are introduced by AI are done with guardrails in place. The team is now able to take its time reviewing this merge request and merge everything in once they feel that this is ready to go. Thanks for taking the time today to watch this video on using GitLab Software Development Flow. Be sure to take a look at the video description to learn more about how to get started with it.